So here's a mess that needs to be fixed. It's time to organize this closet.
Yes, I'll come back to you. Then I'll ask, what have we done?
Hello everyone, finally I'm finished with my closet project. But before that, please click the thumbs up and the subscribe button for more videos every week. And organizing is one of my favorite things to do, and I just got kind of delayed with finishing my closet project because I had other things to do, but finally it's done. So here it is.
So here is how my closet looks like now. I actually started doing the part over there, the top part, and I still have a lot to do with it. And let's go to the other side. Started hanging my purses. This is a project I need to finish.
Okay, first things first is empty this closet. So good luck to me.
Okay, as you see, that is empty right there. And I've sorted my clothes and took out some dresses, blouses that I don't use, so I can give it away. This I've already arranged, from sweaters to hoodies, and according to color. And those are my sentimental stuff on the box, and I still need to fix that. Oh, it's done! I showed this earlier. I have a small apartment and I only have not enough storage, so I make everything fit in one place. So you see, I have my towels and blankets and my purses hanging. Also behind those purses are other purses, but I choose to hang these ones so that the handles or the straps won't be deformed. And the hangers, for purse hangers, I got from Etsy for $9.99 plus tax plus shipping. And here are my beanies and gloves and my scarf. So this bins I got from Daiso for $3. And down here you'll see my jackets and coats. Those are in this white bin right here, or clear bin, are caps that are not being used. And those are my photos, my collection of old photos. With those containers, I had that from before. That one with the caps or hats inside are from Daiso. That was for $5, and this one for $4 from Target each. The boxes for photos, and the one at the bottom is from Walmart for $6. So yep, that's all I used, and I'm glad I am done. It's so nice to look at your closet when it is fixed or organized. So yep, finally I finished it. Thank God.
So I hope you liked that short video of how I did my closet. I did not spend a lot on organizing it. I used what I already have, and some of it I bought, but you can actually organize for less. You don't have to buy a lot of things to organize your closet, your cabinets, or whatever it is that you want to organize in your home. So there's a lot of places too where you can buy cheap products to use. Just watch my other videos and you'll find there. I got some from Daiso, Target. I didn't get anything from Container Store because they're kind of expensive. But they give me good ideas of what to do. And yeah, so I hope you like that video. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and the subscribe button, please. And also, if you have anything you want to say, just leave a comment below. Thank you so much. Take care. Until next time, God bless.